Welcome back to MS Live right here on MS24 TV with yours truly, Mac Moulton. And I have my brother in the building, brother all the way from Kumasi, and he's putting, the city on the map. And I have my brother J Bud in the studio.
Yeah, man.
Bad man, Bibi Aboko there.
Street, man.
Charlie dripping in studio, I know day.
Oh,
And then hairstyle, no dripping in here, bro.
Yeah, man.
But J Bud, any stylist or style up and I'm making sure say we look good. BBI wow.
BBI, yeah.
Okay.
BBI free, you know, BBI kata for you. Yeah, for the better.
I kata media wa uni way, Charlie.
Straight up.
Dope. Well, I mean, himself last year, Obaha. Now I drop a return of a Confanoche, second installment. And you didn't come on and play my phone, so you didn't come on. And after that, I say what dropping you be a friend or random chick. Yeah. And also near bars, people love it. And style are very different. Then amount echo that direction because J Bad in himself Charlie won't dear Charlie dope crazy vibes now but you know that style are very different.
So, okay, first of all, shout out to Sick Beat. Yeah, me real studio know about beats in that Charlie. Okay. Vibe like beats I'm like crazy. So I was like, my man try something different because start beating the city and meeting me the street vibe behind it. To snap. Yeah.
So for how many years now only Sick Beat here, Juma?
Almost it was like could be 2 years.
2 years. Yeah. Wow. That's very great. And you man also amount for any job out there. Yeah. That's very nice. But last year now dropping you now reception. How has it been for you?
Massive. It's a core fan base. Anytime you drop it,
okay. Amount for some. Yeah, fine. But I get into the new project now dropping Beast Mode Volume 1. Yeah, man. And one thing I can say, J Bar, like for the past 3 years. We drop a project back to back. Charlie, ain't easy. Like, then motivate you. Then show cry they be give you a back-to-back project.
They motivate you. They know at the end of the day, that's my destiny, and I said, my dream. I don't know how to say it. I am a duty. I said the idea,
for real.
And I said, a dream. My father wants to say, anytime be a sorry be. Also, me feeding my fans because my baby Germania don't be a.
I'm tired with you.
Okay. That's why we are also meeting me feed you. Yeah.
At the current year, like a pro margin element here, so and they say, also artists or more project group baby almost so more experience creative block. Yeah. Or more idea no meet me the action. And also projects. Yes, singles now drop you. Or drop you and drop a project. Or drop you and drop a project. Or drop you and drop a project. Into writing skills, you know. Style ben now and answer e bien command me no dia na inspire na J Bar do dia enyum say na wo de ni city
daily life na say dey America.
Okay.
You knew who you may be.
Okay.
This is the studio near Tibita. They tell you assume no. And as they reflect to any sooner you can once what you say. Okay. Because you who you be the easy say a Tibita they be a camera with something different others. Okay. Yeah. Fine.
One thing is J Bar himself was starting on the streets. They say that so street vibes no woman on the streets no connected. Like very, very well. One thing is say you know so make kind of say we hear music in Yamia to oneself, Sikaba oneself. They say live comfortable. They say I'm on no balance about man because they say comfortability about. So that means you also have to tell other story or more also feel comfortability and so about connecting with you. At times we finding it very difficult say obey imagine those stories now I said those experiences now.
They've been finding it difficult there because I'm a human man and I have experience of both sides. I also make an engineer beat beyond and some of the cartons. Okay. I will beat well more. I want to make comfortability in some ways. Very reflective to back to the hustle I feel and as I say. Yeah, so and we depend a bit about any mood I'm at the moment. Okay. Yeah, and when you're big deal because you're creative.
So beast mode.
Follow more.
Title. Yeah. About say now your title.
Mood and woman as a like my vex too much. Okay. My head tape records on me and then some American. It took me back to 2020. Yeah. So that was the mood I was in. I was trying to let the people know say it's a J Bad vex. Be serious in the enemy.
Team one was done business.
Team was done business.
Artwork and also the actually very crazy. Then they inspire artwork for projects.
Shout out to one of my homies, my friend Romeo. There's something coming up with the album, and I'm hitting it up and I said, bro, I have an idea. So I shouldn't worry at all. One in the niggas be better than working on it. So I'm just finally the whole year artwork and if any feel is ugly.
Okay.
Shout out to me, yeah. When they come up with that creative
idea.
Yeah.
To whom I was when in jail.
Yeah. So yeah, and the top ministry. I'm saying, nah.
Yeah,
and then there is it popping up.
For real. Nice songs.
Yeah.
Nice solid songs. Then the mouse said to all nice songs in the because J-Ba they day in day out recording. Then the mouse said to all nice songs in the song.
Because I'm say too
long. Okay.
9 I'm selecting in affected. Mood now me the person me the bar outside and so I'm stuck on 9.
Okay.
Because I'm working on volume 2 too. And then I'm volume 1 I be
some way
from mom kakra. So we are more fit.
And we been up to episode 7 now because we volume 1 now.
We bit one say chiwa. With my
volume 20 you know wetin yawa.
Chiwa is say.
Chiwa the part 10 ana.
Part 20 you know.
Say I don't know.
You tell me movie.
Yeah. And our first song, you know, Living Demon.
Yeah.
And what's the rationale behind that song? Living Demon. And no story to say.
I was trying to explain to the world, this is my life, this is me. I just say, I'm on for J-Ba say, I just say, J-Ba fairly, but I'm still living. I just say, and I made sure more about hustle and your my friend and something in this time, and no more doubt here in the life. Saying it's only others still every day.
Yeah, for
real. Others,
no one yeah, for and then when you was a BBL buddy.
Yeah.
Are J-Ba when you encounter with BBL, give be an assistant because title and our brothers is also Kenneth Reggie. Now also Skyface.
Shout out to all of them. Yeah.
A dominant now also. BBL body no. A banner say na sa no cookie.
Skyface is how Skyface what they do achieve. BBL body the emu be. Okay. Understand. Trend urban I guess no.
Yeah.
Omo young body na as for so. Beat no drop here no. Cause your trailer drop it because nah I do the way here in as a mom is have a BBL body.
BBL body. Yeah.
You're not getting fast.
Yeah. J-Ba radio also mama freestyle for BBL body because I mean a damakoma song.
And then your favorite.
I don't know my favorite. Say BBL there Charlie. Ben ma ben na there share a yima onpe. Obi a ni
J-Ba.
Oh, natural, you be any job, but you now say support it.
Okay.
Say natural, say natural, Nini na yeshe. Yeni pade pa. It's your to go in mammy freestyle for BBL body.
BBL shaky like Nikki. BBL guess you freaky. DJ Bomma Masusi. Strip club Nyome Besisi. Get no toast free turkey. Fafun Chana West Streaky. Bemna Meti. Man is so we feel BBL body, 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 BBL body,
BBL body, BBL body. And no. J-Ba, nice. And senior maker said they be back to back or drop a project. But all filing or songs for and our project for TGMA last year.
Nah.
Like what's the reason? Because who boy Juma saying
I think they're skipping me. Yeah, Juma too much.
Okay. All right. They say the beast mode our platform be also
all streaming platform.
Able to me streaming. Yeah. I mean when they say on audio mark when 550,000
plus.
How does it make you feel? Say what drop in in a short period of time now? Amount 40 in
that's source of the motivation and I'll be because as I say, my core fan base be they keep me going all the time. This animal it keeps me going. I make more.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, I don't really think about being at the top and I say I'm only say my oncophobia say
and last year by the youth concert won't come up.
Yeah.
But this year catch up 2026 nyame ya adom near that so tinkwama. Bibia to turn out youth concert obesa there. And then nyame adom say 2026. They say what's the planning towards youth concert?
December the youth concert. We are still looking out for sponsorship.
Okay.
We have sponsorship. We have Boa for on board, so
okay.
it could be a common up as a sponsor Yeah.
So J Bad or Cambria, no bet me a catch it here for ne.
Sponsor. Yeah, December, yeah, the youth concert. As I say, Ashanti region, Kumasi, Baba Era Sports Stadium. So he has sponsorship. And at the youth concert now, Nipa expect to win 40,000 plus.
Wow.
So into we sponsor now, it be out on minerals, be an out of it's not gonna go waste because you're also gonna benefit. All this crowd is gonna see your product. So yeah.
And MS24, so Charlie, our hands are open.
Yeah.
Awesome partner with you guys.
Straight up.
Charlie, how be a bit to me about it? Yeah, a bit to me making a big piano.
And I say, oh, heaven, I be up and say, oh, sponsor, so my management number 0554 602090. Okay. 0554 602090. Yeah. We're hitting up, I'll get it back to you very soon.
Yeah, youth concert here, sharing him, Charlie.
Giddy. I'm afraid my young fans. I would deal with the youth concert.
Yeah, I say, yeah. But Beast Mode on, what was the challenging part recording that project?
I think it's the mixing and mastering part, no problem. Recording the man, should have found the difficulties.
Okay.
All those living them on the stress a little bit, but mixing and mastering. Also mixing you shout out to Waski.
Okay.
Waski the producer. I want to mix master in my stress in the or me see you Charlie Hanamintini, Masumi says, I was with me ear fatigue being an affair. You are what things some different. Go as a bit in this abusul monk. But maybe I tears and in stress on it because I need chasing perfection.
Yeah, for real. But and you made your favorite also.
Oh, and you made me new back paying favorite because almost need a favorite. I couldn't matata face, be facing. Yeah. Kelani why living demon BBA body.
Now only quite good DMC.
You know DMC business person.
Yeah. Businessman.
Yeah. Business person. I don't care.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And I live in demon so.
Yeah, I don't care.
And one thing I'm a person me busa say when I say akwara enyom rapper all the koye Kumasi mo be say o. But oye no Robert Albert or UK no. Na me expect say me hu J Bad was stage actually was say so actually. No come on to an answer we be but when to me and I make it to show no so was there any reason and I say when your invitation?
Let me issue Hamburg. I'm get it time.
Okay.
Yeah, uncle. Okay. Let me see show.
Okay. J Bad we are one artist we show pa because so ba last year. If you come win the game one yom, nyom no crank was like it did because J Bad in the game nyom they say crazy. We show outside. We say like a ban J Bad and ni she den ni nyoma here because we hear nyoma chese a bro adwene nti ase also not just Ghana. It even goes beyond Ghana.
Yeah. And they're fat. What they say. Instead of make us say, I don't know how to put it, but yeah. So more you know, cause any say another you want everybody to watch you before you do whatever you do. You're not supposed to slow down. And yeah, boy, what I say along the way, no attention you deserve, no. Along the way, no. You and say I want to be back at your attention, but I have support.
True.
So you know be any problem. Yeah.
That's very
you just need everyone's support.
Okay.
Support positive because at the end of the day, you try to put Ghana name on the map.
Yeah, Charlie. They're all trying. J Bad is trying to put Ghana name on the map. And it's out with a new project, Beast Mode Volume 1. You can check it out on all streaming platforms and add to your playlist. So J Bad, last words to your fans. Anyone who wants to give special shout outs to?
Yeah, shout out to Life Living Gang. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to the whole America. Shout out to Bayaka. So shout out to Everlasting Gang. Shout out to all the producers. I'm Beats now. Beast Mode Volume 1. I mean, Volume 2. But I'm going to get it ready. And man, I want to tell the street, say, Obi, I'm going to stream it. And you're streaming. Everybody go and stream Beast Mode Volume 1. It's out on all streaming platforms. Yeah,
for real. So that's my brother, J Bad is out with a new project, Beast Mode. You can check it out and add to your playlist, guys. I go by the name Mac Moten. You can follow us on our socials, MS24GH, #MSLife. You can follow me as well, Mac_Moten. Love conquers all. Catch you same time, same place. Peace. I'm out.